This is not a Mavic Mini video. No. This is sort of a hybrid video because we're talking about Skydio and DJI and why I prefer the way Skydio has ran their pre-order system. Yeah, the Mavic Mini release has been an absolute shit show and people have been left wondering when their minis are going to be shipped. But yet the Skydio fan base, you pre-ordered it, you paid your $100 deductible, and there has been nothing but fantastic communication. Now, I'm not stroking either company's poll, but I prefer transparent communication. And that's what we're talking about, so stick around. What's good, guys? Welcome back. My name's OriginaldoBo, and on this channel, well, you already know what this channel is about. It's about drone, it's about tech, and if you're here, you already knew that, so let's get this video started. So, Skydio, a couple of months back, I think it was like a month and a half ago, announced their new Skydio 2, and there was a $100 pre-order deposit that you had to put on this drone, and it was refundable. It was cancelable. It was fuck it, I'm not even gonna try to say it. You could cancel the pre-order if you didn't want to buy the drone. Now with DJI releases, when there's a drone announced, there's a drone announcement, and then everybody's scurrying over to the DJI store or Best Buy or wherever to purchase this drone. And it's an absolute disaster because there's never enough stock. And then all of a sudden people start seeing their shipping dates slip to like 45 days. It's a disaster. It's an absolute disaster. And then when you get your drone in hand, there's always some sort of bugs or issues because it's brand new and they didn't widely beta test it. Yeah, because they had to be first to get that drone shipped. I sort of like the way Skydio's done this. The drone has been announced and it's been in the hands of several beta testers who no doubt have been reporting back to Skydio of their findings, bugs, etc. And maybe there's even logs that go along with that. But what that does is it creates a more finished product when you get it in your hands. I feel like the Mavic Mini, when it first launched, was a bit of a beta project. You were paid beta project. You paid $499 to beta test the Mavic Mini. Now, people who are still waiting for their Mavic Mini, listen, that's not a bad deal. You don't always want to be first to get that drone in hands because let's think about it. There could have been flyaways, there could have been software nightmares. Hell, the return to home altitude would reset every time I rebooted my drone. That's a dangerous thing, especially if you're flying in an area where there's high objects and you forget to reset that. Holy crap, Mavic Mini, goodbye, because there is no obstacle avoidance. Now, with the Skydio release, we're going to get an email where we pay off the balance. And again, things can still go sideways because we don't have the drones in our hands. But I think for the most part, I think they've thought about a lot of things with this pre-order process and they've broken it up into batches because of the demand. Also because they're a bit smaller of a company, they had to break it up so they didn't stress their workers out with creating these orders. Because again, these are hand-built drones, hand-tested, a robot calibrates it, I think, because I saw the arm. Anyways, I digress. But the process just felt smoother. And if you noticed in your email, you've probably received emails for each step of the way that you ordered your drone. When they were getting ready to ship these, we got an email. When they're taking payment, we're gonna get an email. It's just cool, I like it. And anytime you've emailed their team asking them questions about your order, you've gotten an email back. I can email DJI and sometimes it'll take, 48 to God knows how many hours to get a response back. You almost have to threaten them on Twitter to get a response or anything taken care of, which is a little bit obnoxious. But I thought this video would be interesting to spark the conversation of what you like to see from a drone release. Do you prefer a manufacturer to take a deposit like Skydio, or do you prefer a mad dash like what DJI does? Me personally, I like the deposit. Gives me time to sort of mull over my options and figure out how I'm going to hide my next purchase from my significant other. This one's gonna be expensive. It's a little harder to hide, but we're gonna make it work. If anybody has a single bedroom home or a couch available, I will comment down below, send me your email. I will like to live there for the foreseeable future. But anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Deposits and wait a little bit, or you want it right now and don't care if the drone is broken when you get it. Sound off, let me know, and as always, stay original.